Slopes are one of the most important things in math. It is used for determining sales and economics, for builders to find the angle of a rotor structure, and for skiers or snowboarders to see how steep the hill is. A slope is where there is a group of coordinates which, when graphed, form an inclining, declining, or mixture of both line or curve. Curved lines are nonlinear. However, we will be focusing on linear lines in equations. Slopes are written in fraction form, like 2 over 4 or 5 over 2. When the slope is not in fraction form, you must convert it into fraction form to graph it. For example, if you have 7, then you can convert it into 7 over 1. You must have fractions because to graph you must use rise over run. This means that if you had a fraction 7 over 1, the 7 was the rise and the 1 is the run. There are 4 forms of linear equations: direct variation, slope-intercept, standard form, and point slope. Each form has a different equation. For direct variation, it is y equals kx. In this situation, k equals the constant of variation or slope. Direct variation is used to display the relationship where two variables change in proportion. By the definition of mathwords.com, quote, a relationship between two variables in which one is the constant multiple of the other, end quote. This form of an equation is often used when graphing a table. Another form of equation, slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b. In this equation, m equals the constant or slope and b equals the y-intercept. Slope-intercept is probably the most used form of a linear equation. It is used for organizing variables and coordinates into a simple equation which can be used to graph a set of numbers. It is simple to solve and set up with new numbers. Second to last, we have standard form. This is the equation with the most rules and technicalities. It is written as ax plus by equals c. A must be a positive integer. B and c must be positive or negative integers. A or b can be 0 but not both. Standard form is important when looking at systems of equations. However, you typically rewrite them in slope-intercept when graphing. Finally, there's point-slope form. This is written as y1 minus y2 equals m times x1 minus x2. M is equal to the slope, or constant of variation, and x, y can represent any point on the line. This form is useful if you already know the slope and are trying to find a specific point.